In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monarch Money for budgeting. Let's start by getting you logged into your Monarch Money account. If you haven't already set up an account, you'll want to do so before proceeding. Once you're logged in, navigate to the budgeting or goals section. This is where you'll manage all your financial plans and set your budget goals. It's a crucial step to ensure you've organized your finances from the very beginning, setting the stage for successful budgeting. Next, let's create a new budget. This option allows you to tailor your financial plan to meet your specific needs. Consider your current financial situation and what you're hoping to achieve with your budget. This is a great way to gain control over your financial future. Now, to set up your budget, you'll want to start by entering your income sources. Click on sections like salary, freelance, or side income, and other inflows. Make sure to include all potential sources of income so your budget can be as accurate as possible. With your income entered, it's time to add expense categories. These will give structure to your budget, allowing you to see exactly where your money goes each month. Click on sections such as rent/mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Remember to include savings as well. Future planning is essential. Don't forget to set spending limits for each of these categories. Carefully consider what's realistic based on your income and spending habits. This part of budgeting makes sure you live within your means and gives you a clear picture of where cutbacks can be made if needed. Now that your budget framework is in place, link your bank accounts and credit cards. By doing this, Monarch Money can automatically track your transactions and update your budget in real time. This feature not only saves you time, but also ensures that your budget reflects your actual spending, making it more reliable and effective. Monitoring your budget is the next key aspect. Keep an eye on spending versus your set limits. If you find yourself overspending in a category, it's advantageous to adjust your allocations. By doing so, you can maintain better control over your finances. Also, set alerts for overspending. These alerts provide timely notifications to help you stay on track with your financial goals and avoid dipping too far into your expenditures. Finally, take advantage of the reports and charts available in Monarch Money. These tools allow you to see spending trends, providing valuable insights for future financial planning. They can also help pinpoint areas that might require more efficient budgeting so you can make informed decisions moving forward. With these detailed steps, you're well on your way to mastering your finances with Monarch Money. Thanks for following along, and happy budgeting.